Ajay, what's up?
Hi.
So you guys, I got Ajay in here and look at her beautiful natural hair. Beautiful natural
Thank
hair. And
you.
she's about to, you welcome, she's about to forego this natural hair for curly perm.
Yes.
So lately I've been having so many people around her age. I don't know her exact age, but I can tell she's young.
23.
23 she said, and she's about to come out of the natural hair. And I just want to do a video. I just thought of doing this because she's trying to let y'all see her hair. Yeah, it's big, it's huge, it's beautiful, but she's about to forego this for curly perm. So Ajay, tell me what's making you want to get the curly perm.
I would say what's making me want to get the curly perm, I just have a hard time maintaining my natural hair. It's very thick and I'm just not used to maintaining it. So I like something that, or I want something that's a little bit more easier definitely to deal with. And I love the style of the curly perm. So I'll be able to have some curls.
So she's doing it because of the high maintenance for the natural hair. And you guys, I always make sure I explain to any naturalista that, you know, this curly perm is a chemical. You know, I explain to them what that is. So I love for my clients to be educated consumers. I do not want to bring anybody in and sit in my chair and put a chemical in their hair if they're natural and they don't know that they're getting a chemical. So I always make sure, you know, that the potential clients and new clients know, hey, this is a chemical, so you're not going to be natural anymore. And so, Ajay, what made you want to come out of being natural and it's going to a chemical?
It was definitely a difficult decision. Like I was doing a lot of research, trying to figure out because I mean, when I always, well, I guess as younger, we used to get perms, so it made our hair straight, and I know for sure I did not want that. So I just did some research, and then I found out about the curly perm, and it just felt like something that was perfect for me. So that's why I want to get this specifically.
Right. So I have a lot of clients who get the curly perms. The main thing is a lot of the younger people that get the curly perms, they kind of want to change up the styles. Like they want to comb out all the curls and then just think miraculously the curls are going to pop back in the head, and that would be a miracle. So I get that question a lot, like, can I comb out all my curls or can I flat iron my hair and then my hair be back curly? The answer is no. You know, there's no way that that can be done. So I always kind of make sure I give people way more information than needed, and they probably think I'm trying to make them cancel the appointment, but that's not it. I just like people to be educated consumers, and I have a lot of integrity, you know, for clients who will come to me. You know, I'm going to be always honest. It's not about the money for me. It's about the customer service and making sure that the clients are educated. So, is there anything you want to add to this? Because I've been doing a curly perm since 1981. They've made a huge resurgence, and I have high school clients that get them, you know, college students, older people. You know, the other day I did a lady who had totally white hair. She got the curly perm.
Okay.
So anything else you want to add to it?
I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, I'm just really excited.
She's really excited. She's saying.
I'm just ready to be able to definitely start maintaining my hair.
Right. And y'all, these curly perms make your hair grow so fast. And so that's another thing about them too. And so once I finish her hair, you know, I'll come back and make another video and I'll add to this video, and I'm sure she'll be anxious to tell you guys, you know, what she thinks about it on camera. So thank you guys. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Okay, you guys, this is the after. I went on and edited it and added my own voice in here, my own comments. Even though it looks like she's going to be talking, I just was asking her a couple of questions, and she liked how it turned out. I liked how it turned out as well. Um, she had natural hair, but she had put color rinses in her hair, not permanent color. So, She's basically just saying that she likes it and that she had blonde hair color before and she had cut it out. So, actually, with the curly perm, your hair really needs to be totally natural. And sometimes clients don't, or potential clients sometimes don't understand that totally natural means no relaxer and no color. Um, you can have color rinses, which is just semi-permanent color, which is all she had was the color rinses. Is semi-permanent. But a lot of times clients, some people do their own color at home, and sometimes they're putting permanent color in their hair and don't realize that it's a permanent color. So usually anything that you buy in a box, if it comes in a box and then you open the box and it has a plastic bottle inside with some white or clear liquid in the bottle, and then you have to pour something else into it, that's usually a permanent color and it's a chemical. You also can tell by reading the box. It will say permanent color or it should say permanent color. I mean, if it's just usually a bottle like the Beautiful Browns product line of color, of semi-permanent color, and the Adore, those brands are semi-permanent, which means it's not a chemical. So, a lot of times clients don't know that when they're going in the store and they're buying color, you guys are not hairstylists, so you don't know that you're putting a permanent color. Even with black, like some people will put permanent black in their hair, and then when they want to go blonde or want to go a little bit lighter, I mean, it's really hard to do that because you put a permanent black in there, which is very dark. So she likes how it turned out. I like how it turned out. And basically, I have clients of all ages come to me for the curly perm. She said she loved the service. She felt comfortable doing the service. And I may post another video with just her talking on the after, but I just wanted to add my own little feedback on here. It turned out great, and probably the next time she come back to me, which I recommend 2.5 to 3 months for your retouch on the curly perm. And I've been doing these since 1981, so I have a lot of experience doing them. They've made a resurgence. And, all of my clients are required to wear masks just like she has on one. I wear them too. Even if you're fully vaccinated, and so am I just feel like it's just better to be safe than sorry. So, anyway, she loves it. See you soon.